welcome to the channel. This is our, well, not really first video. I tried doing a series, and it was a Kentucky Frog Creek series, and I scrapped it because I was like, yeah, I don't really want to do that one. But we'll start a new one I'm excited about. And we are on the Forest River map in North Dakota. So I figure I'd do a quick farm tour as the first video. So yeah, this is the first part of the farm, obviously the farmhouse. Really pretty. Got a back porch. A great view of nothing because it's North Dakota. That's okay, sometimes those are the best. Hey, yeah, let's go check out the farm real quick. That door. So yeah, this is the entirety of the farm. Got the old 9370 hooked up for fall tillage. Over here, I got my truck. Nice outside the house, the basketball hoop. Got a cow barn here. Still don't have any cows inside yet, but I'm gonna purchase those later. So got the old Massey Ferguson skid steer. All of this stuff out front. Slurry pit. And then if we come over here, got a little machine shed, garage thing, a few tractors inside. This is a case farm, if you haven't caught on yet. Got a couple headers over here, draper headers. Open up the barn here. Excuse me, shed here. Got our combine sitting inside. And our forage harvester with pickup header. And we pretty much just have all of our tools outside here. So, yeah, pretty fun. Got a few trailers. Got a nice little silage trailer here. Livestock trailer. And of course a grain hauling trailer. And then all of our equipment just sits out here. Easy to get to. Don't have to worry about putting it in the barn or a shed. And I have my currently empty silage bunker. So gotta figure out a blade that works. I can't figure out what blade goes with what tractor. It's kind of confusing me. But we'll get it figured out. We got the cutter bar for our windrower. And yeah, we already finished. I got a couple fields right now. So right now we have field, well, 60 is where the property is. 39 and 52. So I gotta till those, get those ready to plant next spring. But I already sold the grain. I got corn, wheat, and then baled some of the straw. So that's a nice start to our dairy farm. So yeah, I'm gonna take off across the field and start doing some quick fall tillage. Always a fun time. Very relaxing, very peaceful. I want to do this as a live stream, but apparently YouTube won't let me do that stuff with a live stream for something 24 hours to request. But it's okay, it's a first world problem, it's a video game. Who cares? Alright. Some nice view of the farm over there. So yeah, I'm going to start fall tillage right now, but that pretty much does it for the day. Pretty quick video. But there will be more to come for sure, so like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys later.